another day, but with the webcam. Don't mind my hair, it's still kind of the same way that I have it from when I woke up. But yeah, I mean, I'm still in my pajamas basically, just trying to think. So don't let me lower this thing so you can hear me better. So yeah, just gonna keep working on this project. It's pretty much done. Yesterday night I made some crazy progress, so yeah, now I need to do one thing, which is, let me get rid of all this and open my user.c. I want to do so that when it exits the program, um, it goes into the table and it goes into the table, and the account that it has associated with, like the account of the user.c, it leaves that space empty so that it can be used by another user. Right? That's what I want to do. So I do have user, great, and I free the user. So before I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say um, users first. I guess I have to know which one it is, right? I mean, I could probably do a function for this. You know, I'm all about doing functions, right? Let's just do something here. So free user, right? Then it's gonna return 0 if everything goes according to what it has to do. Alright, so in this case, we go here and we say, basically I have to find my user, and I just have to go int, sorry, I don't even know what I'm typing, users, number of accounts, we increase, basically what I do is if sorry, matches with my user ID, then I have to say that users I equals false. It is not free. I don't know if I should use like a semaphore here. I have to think about it. Now I wonder if I say usuarios, I equals no. Signed in is error for compatible type void. So I cannot do this? How can I say kind of array? Let's see, array. I don't know, free space, not free space, but kind of like clear value. You can empty a char array. No. But this is int. What if it's a certain type? Can it just not assign a null to it? I mean, if it's free, then it's eventually gonna get overridden by another user, but don't really like that. It's, you could have other problems. Other PCs is not a standard. Let's Gemini. I have an array of type struct user that can hold 10 users. What is the best way to clear or free a certain value of the array? Let's see what it has to do. Let's break down the common sense. Yes. I am not too sure about that. Structs. Here it is. User. Okay, yeah. Primitive type. Okay. Best way to clear the user at index 0. I mean, yeah, right. I mean, I can do that, of course. Sorry, whoa. Dude, I don't know why, but my LSP has been going crazy this last couple of days. Like, it just turns off like every single 5 minutes. And it's just not enjoyable at all. Alright, so salary, um, PID, 0 as well. I don't know what more fields you have. Number of transactions as well. I mean, eventually freeing that user, but I don't know. Let's see. Number of transactions, and then usuarios, titular. Right, then log out. Okay, log out is gonna be. I mean, it's gonna be false. Wait, have I added it to the usuario? No, I've not. So, what do you mean code from the clerk? What are you talking? It's literally right there. What are you doing? Well, wait, I don't have this here? What the fuck? So this audio does not contain its own header file? What are we doing here? But let's say I want to log in with the... Okay, this one was blocked. The number 3 account. Then I go and say, okay, I log out of here, and then I want to log in with the 15 account. Aha, it gets the index 2, which is the index of the 3rd account. So it does work. It does work, actually. Okay, so if I now... Where am I? Here. Sorry, I don't want to type this. So if I now exit this account again, and I say I want to log in with the number 20 account, and I still get this index, right? Yep, that's pretty much it. Okay, so now if I exit this, for example, and I log back in with the... What did I use, the 3? Still have my things here. Let's say I want to deposit at 200. Then I exit here. I don't know, did I get an error there? I don't know. Anyways, so I go in here and I say, okay, I want to go into 3 again, and I have all the changes. Double free. So I am getting a double free here. Somewhere. Free usuario, free arcs. Maybe because I'm freeing this, like... Sorry, let me actually use it in here as well, so I don't get a... Sorry. Because Rx has an argument of user, so maybe because it's already linked, I don't know. So we... Okay, and then I say... Yeah, how's it? Alright, let me do something. Let me do, okay, so I do all these things and then I say exit 1. Then let me do a sleep. Can I do a 3.5? Ah, fuck it. Let's not even worry about it. Right, so I have all these things. I free the user. Let me just say. Para liberar. Usuario. Bla bla bla. Que pueda ser usada. Right. So this works now. So let's try out many things. So I log in with my number 3 account. And this right now should have the index value of 2. Let's log in with the account number 13. And this one was not in the table. So now it has the index 10. Now let's log in with the number 8 account, which should have the index of 7. If I exit out of this one, and I then come in here, where's my bank here, and I sign in with the number 17, I should have the 7. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, 7. I was like, what the fuck? Right, so it is in here. Great. So now, for example, if I decide to exit this one, the index number 2 is Fred. I mean, 3. Sorry. So if I go to the 20, this should have the index number 2. There we go, index number 2. So it's kind of going back and forth. Now these are all full. So if I decide to log back in with the number 17 account, I'm gonna have the 10. Not really. Okay, why was that? This is the 20. This is the 10. Which one do you have? I mean, it still allows me to do all these kind of things, and I can still close all of them. It's great, so I wouldn't give it much of a thought. Alright, now I just need to do one thing, which is gonna clear this up, because actually I don't remember why. Okay, so I get this, then I say welcome user 3, you have this X amount of money, you've made this much number of operations, which is not really true. I should have more, right? Like if I now exit, I just try to log back in with this, I should have 1 operation. What if I exit this? I still have 1 operation. I don't know why that didn't count in the first place, but if I deposit 200, exit, log back in, it says I have 1. Okay, so this might be a problem with the deposit operation rather than alright. So do I increase the amount of operations here? I do, but before, I mean after I have already updated this. Which is kind of crazy. Okay. Do I do something similar here? Anyways, now if I log with this one and I deposit 20, I log back in, should send 2. Right. Now if I go ahead and say I have, okay, so I have, let's just say I want to 1,000. Boom. Then it says, hey, user with this has been blocked for suspicious activity. And then the monitor detects it. So if I get out of this account, I go back in here and I say this, it should have actually done something. It should have blocked it. What the fuck? Should have been blocked. What? Yo, it was blocked, bro. It literally was blocked. What are you talking about? You are supposed to be blocked. 160. It's supposed to be the same thing. Hey, I've blocked this account. Whatever. It has not blocked it. Sorry. Okay, so why are you not blocking this thing, dude? Maybe I know why. Maybe I know why. Here. So I blocked this thing. By the way, let me put up a new line. Here, great. Then I could say something like to undeclared function. So where are you being declared, buddy? In user? I think so. Yeah. What happens though? What happens if I put you in here? Buffer set. I don't have a buffer set. I don't know. Fuck it. Wait, what am I doing? Wait, what the fuck? Okay, I did not mean to do it here. I meant to do it here, actually. Okay, so let me add this one here. Get rid of this one, get rid of this one. Okay, so now I can go into header. Okay, that kind of crashed over there. Passing a sorting parameter. Okay. So now if I do this, then it should work. Okay, so how much do I have? I have 60, so let's just take out 50, so it triggers the monitor. Okay, it triggers the monitor. So I do this, and it's blocked. Okay, great. So now I want to do another thing, which is in here of blocking the user. I want to do a red, then white. Of course. Alright. So let's just trigger the same thing with the number 4 account. Let's take out 600, triggers the monitor. I exit the account, and technically I shouldn't be able to log back in. So 1, 4, it's blocked. Great. Great. Alright, so git add, git commit. Okay, so yeah, bang plugs the account and then inserts that operation into the buffer so it can be synced with the file so it can now log back in. Great. It could be git push origin name. Now another thing that I could do is, for example, I could go into this, sorry, in here, in here, and I could also do this little thing, right? I can insert the operation, I could do all these things, then I can say, okay, kill this, and the users, what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Okay, let's just start from the users.i.pid, and then sig term, Um, where it is here? Sig term. I don't know what I do in this function. Let me check it out real quick. I do a sig term. Right. So I do sig term as well. And this blocks it. So it's like, okay, it is blocked. Let's go with fifth on. So let's just say I want to take out 700, and it finishes that. I'm like a genius, man. I mean, not really, but so commit. Okay, that is done right there. Great. Now the thing is, when it receives sig term, usually it has to have a signal handler, right? Yeah, which is this one. Oops. And they should have something. Let's just go into here. Let's say, yeah, whatever. Let's just do a sleep one. I think it's uninst. You just cannot make these things. Alright, so I log with what is it, number 6 now? Take out 700, and it goes back. Whoa, I did not mean to do this. Let's just do it. 21. Huh, that's interesting. I should have... What the fuck did I type in as the ID? Okay, maybe it got messed up because of the input, whatever. Alright. That's all I have to say. Okay. Let's just do. Sorry. Let me clean this up, and then I can go to bang, and I can call this function. Boom, boom. And now I have to go in here, comment it. Okay. Alright, so this has been created. Great. What if I now want to register a new one called 25? Could I do 25? It does it. Great. So I have 0, I have all this. And then it's just back in place. Alright. Great. So now if I do this again, I should have a new account here with all these things. I mean, yeah, it looks very solid, dude. Not gonna lie. That's pretty much it. Probably the only thing that it has to do is, that we have to fix is kind of the interface to make it a little bit more pretty, but honestly, I don't give a fuck, dude. Like, that's all I have to say. You know, how long are we? 24 minutes already. God damn. Alright, well, I think that's gonna be it. I got 2 exams tomorrow, actually. Kind of funny, but yeah. Yeah. Gonna be it for today. I don't know what I'll do tomorrow. I mean, the exam, the last exam is at like 4 in the afternoon. First one at like 9 a.m., second one at 4, so I'll have enough time to, go back and record for sure. I don't know what I'll record because maybe I will do some cleanup for this project because this project is due Monday, tomorrow. Um, Maybe I'll work on the personal projects which have been abandoned for the last week, or maybe I'll start a new one, or maybe I don't know what I'll do. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.